Yeah, so hello everyone. This video is regarding process annealing, the second type under annealing process. This process is carried out on low carbon steels. So that is the reason you are seeing this process annealing region to be below the lower critical temperature, 727 degrees Celsius. So it's not very higher temperatures, so it's around this temperature only the process annealing will be carried out. Now what happens in this, the specimen is heated to around 550 to 650 degrees Celsius, if you can see this grey part. So that is done for a certain duration of time, followed by air slow cooling. Here also we are following slow cooling. When I say air slow cooling, I am just allowing it to cool slowly. Air slow cooling is just that, we are just allowing it to air. Not that any other equipments and air and all is not blown on that specimen, it's just allowed to cool, which will soften the metal and leads to recrystallization process. That is, it forms new set of strain-free grains within the previously cold worked metals. Now what I mean to say here is process annealing is mainly carried out on cold worked process. Okay. Now what is this cold working means? It's a plastic deformation of the metal at a temperature below that at which it recrystallizes. Okay. Now what is this recrystallization means? It's formation of new set of strain free. That means it will not change. Strain free means there's no defect, or it will not change the shape. Okay, proper uniform sized. Formation of new set of grains within previously cold worked material, and normally an annealing treatment is required. Okay. So basically process annealing is not just carried out on any steel. Basically it's done on low carbon steel, that too low carbon steel which is previously cold worked. Okay, so cold work means plastic deformation at a temperature below which it recrystallizes. Okay, cold working itself, that word itself says that you are not working on higher temperature. That is why process annealing is also done below the lower critical temperatures. Okay, so process annealing is mainly employed to improve the ductility of the previously strained metal, which helps to deform the low carbon cold worked steel material. Okay, so this process is used during cold working process, especially with low carbon steels. I repeat that again, where materials have to be made more ductile and higher grain refinement. Okay, so that is one important thing which you should know. It's not just carried out on a ready steel specimen, already worked, cold worked steel specimen, and that too preferably low carbon steel specimen. Basically it is improvising the grain refinement. Okay. Whatever the crystals are formed, crystals are in the grains that are formed because of cold working, whatever the defects are there, all that refinement will be done under process annealing. So that is the reason why it is done. So the main purpose is to soften and increase the ductility of the cold worked low carbon steel. Okay, this is process annealing. Again, as I told you, applications, disadvantages, it's in the materials I have given in the slides. Please follow that.